we made quite a few arrests on people with forged travel documents. And I'm talking about passports. You would have what we call returned traffic individuals. So some people that we trafficked, they knew they were being trafficked and they wanted to be trafficked, and they were trafficked for labor. And certain countries I don't want to name the countries in case I'm accused of defaming them, but certain countries in the Eastern Asia area, they would traffic individuals here who would come voluntarily so that they could then go and work in sweatshops or in spaza shops out in the bush.
Yeah.
And they would spend 3 years here. Their passports would be taken by their employers. And when they left, you could see that they'd overstayed their visa or their visitor's permit. And they couldn't leave the country now because their passport, they would hide it in their luggage. And they would go to the embassy and say that they came on such and such a date and their passport was stolen. And they would be issued with what's known as a temporary travel document.
Thank you, Mr. O'Sullivan.
Valid for a one-way trip.